Question 13. We know that this is the midpoint. So this is the midpoint between these 2 points, yeah? So if we look at the x one, then the midpoint of AB well, x equals x1 plus x2. Well, this is literally 1 plus x2 over 2. But I know x. Sorry, I'll make it a different colour. I know this x, it's 3. So I've got 3 equals 1 plus x2 over 2. So 6 equals 1 plus x2. So x2 is 5. And now we're going to do something similar for the y. So I've got y equals 12 plus y2 over 2. I know y. Why do I know y? So I've got 7 equals 12 plus y2 over 2. So 14 equals 12 plus y2. So then y2 is 2. So B is the point 5, 2. Having a look at question 16. If you're an extension, it's question 12. We've got, yeah, this is the next one, isn't it? Yep. Yes. Okay, sorry. We know we have a circle with this equation. That's because it's the equation of a circle. We've done this many times. And this time we want the center, we want to know the equation of this one. So we've got, for A, so the center is 5, negative 2, which means h equals 5, k equals negative 2, but we don't know the radius. So let's write out what we do know. We know x take 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals r squared. We know it goes through the point negative 1, 1. So I'm going to substitute this for x and this for y and see what r ends up as. So I've got negative 1 take 5 squared plus 1 plus 2 squared equals r squared. Check that one on the left in the calculator. Negative 1 take 5 squared plus 1 plus 2 squared. 45 equals r squared. So r equals root 45, which is root 9 times 5. So it's 3 root 5. Question B says the circle with these points as endpoints of the diameter. So if I have a circle and I don't actually know that it's going to be centered on the origin, I do know that the point negative 9, negative 3 is on it. Obviously, I've not drawn this to scale. And the point K 0.57 is on it. And that these points are on the diameter, which means this midpoint of this point is the center. Is center. So let's find this midpoint. X equals negative 9 plus 5 over 2. Y equals negative 3 plus 7 over 2. So x is negative 4 over 2, so it's negative 2. Y is positive 4 over 2, so it's positive 2. So the center is negative 2, 2, which is h, k. So if I then put this in the equation of a circle, we've got x plus 2 squared plus y take 2 squared equals r squared. Now I need to figure out what r is. I'm going to substitute in one of these points. I'm going to substitute in the point K. Goes through 5, 7. I could have substituted in, so this would be X, this would be Y. I could have substituted in the point L, so -9, -3. I just prefer to substitute positive numbers. So I've got 5 plus 2 squared plus 7 take 2 squared equals R squared. So 5 plus 2 squared plus 7 take 2 squared. I've got 74 equals R squared, so R is root 74. Let's see if anything good goes into that. No, nothing good goes into that, so that's the radius. So therefore, the equation is x plus 2 squared plus y take 2 squared equals root 74 squared, so that's 74. This one, I forgot to give this the equation. So therefore, we've got x take 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals r squared, which was 45.